We're going to be doing some Sculptra, and there's a couple of reasons I think Sculptra is so important in this period of time. Number one, there's a big anti-filler campaign going on because of the Jenners, and who else is melting their fillers right now?
Supposedly everybody.
Everybody's melting their fillers. But I think what really happened is I think some people got overfilled, and I think it's a luxury to become overfilled because it's so expensive to get facial fillers. So if you have the money to do that, you know, it's a luxury that you were able to, but I think that there is an art to doing fillers, and I think if you do it appropriately at the right frequency, you can have a great natural result. And I can tell you this is a fact because we do fillers every day, all day long, and I've been doing it for years and years and years. So I think Sculptra is a great thing to talk about in this time where people are a little bit fearful of fillers. I still am a big fan of the hyaluronic acid fillers, but I like this one if you're wanting something a little bit more natural. Now, Sculptra relies on your body to produce natural collagen. That's why people like it. It's part of the regenerative medicine trend. And we're regenerating tissue where we've lost some tissue and we're replacing it with our own collagen. So I love this product. I wasn't a huge fan until I started using it for medical purposes for people who have HIV and they've lost a lot of their fat. And I'm seeing tremendous results with using this product over and over and over again. In fact, I've liked what I've seen so much that I've started using it on myself. The thing about this product that I didn't like initially was the fact that it takes 3 months before you'll start to see the results. And so a lot of people want instant gratification, and I'm one of them. That's why I like the hyaluronic acid. And with this treatment, what we recommend is people do a little bit of the hyaluronic acid along with the Sculptra, because you'll get that sense when you look in the mirror, you see something right away, but then you'll also get the stimulation of your own body's natural collagen. So one of the ways we can look at it is, if you think of the layers of the skin, the dermis is the sheets and the fat is the mattress. And so with this product, we're adding just thin layers of sheets, whereas with the hyaluronic acid fillers, we can add mattress because it's going to be a much more noticeable effect right away. The only people that I think are not good candidates are when you get past 70 years old. It just really doesn't work that well because your factories that produce collagen have shut down, and this relies on those factories to produce more collagen. But it's really great for people in there that are really young because it's going to give you the volume and look very natural. But it's also great for people that are a little bit older because then it's going to make your skin tone and texture look better as well. Okay, so that's all there is to it. And there's just a little bit of swelling. That swelling is going to go down within 1 hour. And then she might have a little bit of bruising. We do recommend doing a little massage, and she's going to get that massage. We say 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. But the only real risk with this procedure is that you can get what we call sculptomas. And sculptomas are just little collections of collagen or nodules underneath the skin. And I've done this product for probably 25 years, I'd say maybe somewhere 20 to 25 years. And even if you get a nodule, nobody's ever complained once about having a nodule on their skin. So that's Sculptra used for regenerative medicine to make your face look younger and fresher. We have lots of different options. I always recommend that you get a consultation so that you can have somebody evaluate your face. And one of the things that I see most commonly is that people want to work on this part of their face. And people totally neglect the sides of their face, which is really important to help lift up the skin and make you look young and fresh. So do get a consultation. Don't just look at yourself because you really can't see yourself in 3 dimensions. So thank you for tuning in. We appreciate your support, your Contour, and thank you.